Not joining in, Kane?
Hey, have they caught the Santa peacock robber yet?
What?
The peacock robber.
I'm sorry, you're gonna have to say that again.
Peacock robber.
Right, so there's a peacock who's a robber.
No, that Santa's the robber. He nicked a peacock. It's not the real Santa, just some bloke dressed up as him.
So the fake Santa's a what?
Peacock robber.
Sammy, stop saying peacock robber.
No, he's right, though. There was a grotto at a stately home, and they reckon the fake Santa made off with a bunch of them.
And did what with them?
Shut up. Turkey's ready. Not burnt, not frozen in the middle, cooked to a T, and I'm hammered. In your face, Marlon. What's wrong?
Is it just me, or is that turkey a bit wonky? A bit
Peacocky.
What?
Where's its wings?
They were like that when I got it from the bloke. Could turkeys have wings?
Well, this one doesn't.
That'd be a dead giveaway if it had wings. Massive wingspan peacocks.
Yeah, what would be a dead giveaway is if it had 4-foot feathers coming out of its bum.
Okay, sorry, what are you lot going on about? Oh. Oh, no. Oh, I've had my hand in that.
OK. This bloke you got it from, he didn't happen to be portly, did he, with a big bushy white beard?
No. But he did have a Santa hat in the back of his bag. I thought he was just being festive. OK. Well, should we just not risk it then?
Yeah.
Turkeys are overrated, anyway. OK. Excuse me, everybody.
Yeah.
Oh.